Hey my love, welcome to another day in our 31 days content creation journey. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually film your very first video, your intro video. Okay, I believe by now you've actually scripted your video, and I want to ask, what do you think an opening conversation and intro video should contain? I think when creating an intro video, it should be short and precise. Like, you introduce yourself, you tell what your channel is about, you tell people what you tend to give them, like the kind of impact you're going to be impacting them. You tell people the things they need to know about you, the things they should expect from you, like the kind of content and vibe you're going to be giving to them. And you can equally go extra mile by telling them the extent of your knowledge in that particular field or in that niche, because that is going to give your channel or brand more authenticity. Like, people will believe that you actually know what you're doing, that you actually have a versatile knowledge about what you're about to go into. Okay, so make your in short and precise. When I mean short and precise, it should be go straight to the point and make it short. Don't go into telling people where you have been to, name them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, don't make it boring, don't make it lengthy, just make it short and precise. Okay, then you can now script your main video. Okay, so you can be super detailed if it is necessary, if it requires you being super detailed. Okay, that is it. Make your intro short and precise. Okay, so after filming, because while you are filming, it is very common, like it is what everyone does. We make lots of mistakes, we try, we fail, we try, we fail, we try, we fail, and at the end we still come up with something. So we have to delete those ones that are not, we have to do away with those ones that think just give us what we want. Okay, and that is what we call editing. You edit the parts you don't like. Then if you have things that you want to add to make your content more colorful, to make your video more crispy, then add it. If you want to add some filters, maybe edit some, add some, all that stuff. That is the essence of editing. That is what we do when it comes to editing. So today I'm going to be showing you the basics you need for a start. We're going to be editing a particular video today, so you're going to see all the functions of some of the features you see on InShot. I'm going to be using InShot today. Let's go right into the lesson. So for today's tutorial, we're going to be working with the InShot app. So we click open on it and we go straight to video, because we're going to be working on video today. So we click on new. So firstly, let's do the writing part in case you're doing a faceless channel. So I clicked on the blank space and I have this. So I try to lengthen it a bit. It depends on how many minutes you want that particular video to be, so you can lengthen it as much as you want. Then when you are done, you can choose to add your color background to have a background. So right here you can choose any color. Anyone you tap on is definitely going to show. So you can see how we're tapping on different colors, and it's actually changing the background of this very blank space. Okay, so choose the color you want. You can do anything with the color that you want. You can increase the brightness, you can reduce the brightness. So we choose this very orange. Okay, then you go to text and click on it. So you can now type in whatever you want to type it the way you want to. Okay, so type as much as you want. When you are done typing, you can now edit all your text. You can add so many things. You can change the color of your text, you can change the font. I'm not really going to be super detailed for this very tutorial. We're going straight for the video. We're going to be doing this on a separate video in a separate time. Okay, so let's go straight to the main video editing. So right here from my gallery, I'm going to be choosing a particular video. Okay, so I click on this one, so we have it right here. So let's start editing. Make sure to focus on the arrow. Okay, so you're going to be seeing how I edit all the parts, so watch out. So when I get Can you see? I just clicked on split and I delete it. You play it again. You keep waiting and watching on the nonsense you don't want, the ones that are not what you want. When you get there, you split and delete. And make sure to click on the one that you want to be deleted and not the other. Now we delete. Okay, this is how we're going to be doing it till we get to the last part. So you play until you get to a place where you don't want. You click on split and you click on it so that the box can appear there. Then you delete. You keep going. Wherever you don't want, you split. Can you see? You split it. Can you see now what I did? So if I do that, I'm going to make a mistake. I need to click right on that particular one I want to delete for the box to form before I delete. Okay, so you can see how we do it. I delete again because I don't want that part. Can you see the block now? I delete. Okay, I play it again. I keep moving. That's how I'm going to be doing it throughout the whole video until you get to the last part. I split right here. I click on it for the block to form. I delete. Did you get that now? So that is how you're going to be doing throughout the whole video. Anywhere you don't want, anyone you don't want, you delete it. Can you see the box? I click on delete. It's gone. I play it again. This is how you do till all is deleted. Okay, do you understand it? You can see now. So there are so many other things you could do. You can zoom in, zoom out. That's a function of canvassing. You canvas for it to zoom in, zoom out, fit in. Okay, and we have different ratios, and YouTube ratio is 9.16 or 16.9. Okay, so you can see different ratios for different social medias. We have a lot of them. Okay, but what we know is that YouTube uses 16.9 or 9.16, and this is YouTube. So split and delete is the first thing you need to learn when it comes to editing. Another feature is the volume. You can increase your volume, you can reduce the volume, you can denoise it, you can extract an audio. Okay, you can see all this function. If you have a noise that you want to remove, you click on the noise and it's going to go away, and you can actually reduce the volume of the video. Okay, so we are here. Don't forget to always click it to get to the end of where you want it to stop. All right, so editing is a lot. It has a lot. We do a lot when it comes to editing, but for beginners friendly, we're going to be stopping here. And what we normally do when you are done at this point, you go straight to removing the InShot mark. This is the InShot watermark. You click on it and it takes you to this place, remove, free remove. You remove it and this is it. So I normally add an empty background, blank space, and that is it. So this is what we have at the end of the day. This usually ends your video. So when you're done with doing this, you click on save. Okay, and you're gonna see say save. When you start saving, it's gonna start counting. Can you see converting video? So this is gonna happen from 1 to 100%, and when it is done, your video is ready. Okay, I believe that right now you can actually edit your own video. I believe that you can actually film now and edit your own video, right? So on our next video, we're going to be uploading this video, creating our thumbnail for this very video. And don't forget, if you're yet to join us, you can actually join us simply by subscribing. When you do, turn on your notification button so you get notified whenever I post any video. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by today. And I believe today's video actually impacted you positively, and I believe you actually learned 1 or 2 out of today's video. Keep being amazing, keep staying safe. See you soon in our next video, and bye for now.